All right, we're going to take a room tour of a balcony stateroom, floor 8, 8155. So come on in, let's take a look. It's just a standard balcony room on the Statendam, or Statendam if you prefer. The balconies are, they're all really nice. We have a real good view. And on the 8th floor where we're at, there's no obstructions. Really nothing over the top blocking your view, and no view of the lifeboats down there either, which is cool. So you got a little pull-away sofa. You have some storage space here. I think the life jackets are in here, but you can hide some stuff up there if you like. We have a king-size bed, about a 40-inch TV showing you where our position is as we head to Half Moon Key. They also equip you with beach towels and bathrobes. There's an example of one of each right there. They give you the option to buy some wine. I think that's about $20. I don't have my glasses on, so sorry. But for this little bottle, you will get charged for it. You'll also get charged for what's in the mini bar. I think these beers and sodas are probably $8-9 each for the beer. Soda's probably $5. So be careful. Each room does get a safe where you can put your cash and your passport. You have some drawer space here. Here is your closet. It's kind of just enough for 2 people. Put your shoes, some of your other stuff here. There is a full-length mirror. And the bathroom is quite nice. If you've been on a cruise ship, you know bathrooms are not real big. This one is not humongous either, but it has a very decent sized shower. It's not just like a, like a shower you'd find in a camper. It's got enough room to walk around in, so not too shabby. Let's take one last look at the outside. I'll show you the example of the obstructions that I referred to. Oh, push. Okay. So plenty of room out here. And I've been on a few other ships where there's stuff over the top of you, like on Celebrity. There's some slight obstructions. This one does not have it, and there are no obstructions below us either, which is really cool. Got the lifeboats are over there, but really nothing below me. So we have a full view 180 degrees, which is nice. So there you go. Room 8155, Statendam.